Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel today. I'm back working on my Dodge Charger again. You know, we got this car quarantine project that we got going on. My brother pulled up here today to help me out a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and change this lower control arm and just give it a test drive afterwards and let y'all know how it's running. And then we're gonna continue on and move on to the next project. So stay tuned in. And make sure you hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Everything you're gonna need right here for the job. Sledgehammer, socket wrench, 22. Just took the old one off right here. Just put the new one in. Hold that bit. Pull it back a little bit. Now you putting the new control arm back on. Tighten the back bolt. Fuck around and get copyrighted. Yeah, man, this is the first drive after replacing the control arm. This bitch driving smooth though. The alignment ain't off. We said that ain't gonna fuck with it. Close the roof. And top back on this motherfucker. Top back, nigga. Yeah, this bitch smooth though, it ain't really shaking too much. It is just a little slight bit, but I think that's just from the vibration of the road. You ever say shake it off, or it be just straight smooth? Nah, you just, like I said, you probably just need the bitches balance with the tires. That's what it look like. And everything else seems copacetic. It's still good. It's good. Like I said,
shit, ground floor ain't nothing wobbling or breaking and shit, shaking.
And that's that easy.
Yes, sir. It took like, nigga, it would only take us about 10 minutes to do it, but you know, nigga, had to find the right tools and shit. Oh, hell yeah, you got to. Hell yeah. Big Gucci, I'm at 95 this bitch Gucci. Yes, sir. Bitch complete. Motherfuckers.
Paint job right on this bitch.
That front already cold. It looked like the first time they got the lights on that bitch.
And I fixed my door too, like, before it was like kind of sticky.
Yeah.
And I was like, sometimes if I shut it too hard, I have to open the back door so I can open the front.
What you do?
I realigned it, like I took it off, put it back on, and kind of set it up almost perfectly. It was as perfect as it could get, but and it was like, it's just a little bit off because of the accident type shit. So it's the best it can be, but it's better than it was before. Because before, now I don't do that no more. I could just close and open the door. It don't stick. It don't get stuck and shit. Nigga run away, like nigga, we been locked up so long, fucking probably just take a vacation, take a road trip type shit.
Nigga ain't gonna be able to go nowhere though. To the gas stations and shit. Fuck it.
Yeah, this corona shit is crazy, but I just can't wait till this shit over.
Yeah, man. I thought it was about to be over with, then another 30 days. Another 30, like, damn.
Honestly, I can't see why people are, you know what I'm saying, protesting this shit because this shit crazy. Yeah, niggas, this shit, but I don't know, it's crazy because it's like this shit is spreading quick as hell and people is dying from it, but at the same time, it's like, nigga, we can choose if we want to fucking put ourselves at risk for that shit.
Hell yeah. I know I am, man. Like, shit, I feel good, man. I'm ready to do something. But fuck it, though. I might as well collect this free government cheese. They paying me to do this. You feel me? I'm sitting back chilling. You feel me? I ain't had no time like this in a long time. So, ain't getting money? Come on now. I can't beat it. I'm just chilling. I just feel bad for the nurses and shit. Like, everybody that gotta go deal with it anyway. Like, damn. But shit.
Yeah, bless all them niggas.
Yeah, bless all them.
I couldn't do that shit.
I know they gonna get that cheese though. You feel me? I know they gonna get some extra cheese. Feel me? And when they
nurses is quitting though. Some of them fucking quitting and leaving and shit. But yeah, somebody got to do that shit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can't run away from that shit.
Somebody got to be doing it. Car out banging. Niggas supposed to be at home. Niggas supposed to be at the crib and that bitch on bang.
Everybody doing the same too.
Niggas like fuck this shit, man. It's been like nigga 2 months down there. Like, fuck this. Niggas ain't never had to do no shit like this before in life.
I need more. Need about 400. I'll be straight. I'll be satisfied with 400.
Yeah. That's all they need. I think that what that sketch got about, what, 5 something? 4 something? He was sounding crazy on the block.
Shit, girl got like 4 billion. And just nothing. That's what I'm gonna do. Girl, this is 2017. 16 to 18. That's the sweet body, but no, 17 to 18. Sweet body. The new body, I don't really like this. I don't know how they do that.
I mean, it grew on me though. It's straight. It ain't terrible like it was at first. Like, bro, that shit is ugly.
I just like the 17, 18 because they got like the grill part look like a fucking shredder.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They kind of like put that bar over it, like a new body, so it looks different. That bitch still sweet though. I want to get that over on a fucking Mustang. 16, 17 Mustang. And I'm gonna change that bitch to like a 350R.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty, yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King,